Welcome to Uptime.com. In today's video, we will be walking you through how to set up Whois and RDAP domain lookup and expiry checks. If you want to stay ahead of domain expirations and safeguard your registration information, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Every domain is registered with an expiration date, typically 1 year. With Uptime.com's Whois and RDAP checks, this will help you monitor this and alerts you before it expires. Plus, it tracks changes in your Whois and RDAP information, which can prevent unauthorized modifications or domain hijacking. Since the configuration is identical for each check, we'll begin by creating a Whois check in Uptime.com. First, go to the Monitoring section and select Create Check. In the Check Type drop-down menu, select Whois. Next, give your check a name. Enter the domain, URL you want to monitor, then click Refresh to fetch the current Whois details for that domain. After that, set the number of days before expiration when you want to receive alerts. If your Whois or RDAP check fails, you'll get an alert with details, whether it's a pending expiration or unexpected Whois changes. To troubleshoot, confirm that your domain registration is valid and not nearing its expiration threshold. Also, verify the Whois and RDAP information to ensure it matches what Uptime.com expects. If it doesn't, click Refresh under the Whois or RDAP info to update the check and ensure the changes of information were done by your team and are expected. Before finalizing, run a test using the Run Test button to ensure everything is configured correctly. This step is also useful if your check goes down and you've made updates to resolve the issue. Once the test passes, your check will automatically return to an up status after the next scan, usually within 24 hours. For advanced users, Uptime.com's API allows you to create Whois and RDAP checks programmatically. You can find the requests by navigating to Settings, selecting API, then opening Documentation, and finally going to the Checks section. The requests to create both the Whois and RDAP checks are the post methods. Here's a sample curl request of the Whois check. Update the necessary fields, such as the domain URL and the expected Whois details before running the command. Remember, checks created via the API are paused by default, so you'll need to unpause them to activate monitoring. And that's how you set up Whois and RDAP domain. Lookup and expiry checks with Uptime.com. With this tool, you can protect your domains and stay ahead of expirations with ease. If you have any questions, check out our support articles or contact support at Uptime.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this.